Dear learner, in a previous video, we saw how to download FlexSIM software. In this video, we are going to learn how to install a FlexSIM software. Let's move to the previously downloaded FlexSIM software. Just right click on the software file, run as an administrator. For FlexSIM 2020 Update 1 installation, accept the terms and license agreement. Go to the install. This installation process will take nearly 10 to 15 minutes to install a complete package. Now here you can see that FlexSIM is installing. Opening the package. So now the installation is completed. Now we are going to launch FlexSIM. Just click on the launch FlexSIM and close this tab. So here the FlexSIM is now opening. The FlexSIM 20.1.1. So this is the page came. I just click here letter. So this is the first page, that is start page of a FlexSIM software, and this is the successful installation of a FlexSIM software. Now in the next lecture we are going to study the different tools involved in a FlexSIM software and how we can use that tool in a simulation. Thank you.